I'm Naomi. I'm in advanced game development in my final term. My final project is a turn-based game about a jester who accidentally kills the king with a deadly joke. I'm mostly the artist of the team. Initially, we came up with the concept and we made a pitch. And then there's like many different stages for the game itself. So prototype, alpha, beta, and then release. We learned how to do most of our modeling in Blender, texturing in Substance Painter from Adobe, some stuff in Substance Designer, which is more procedural texturing. And then for the engines, it's Unity, and I personally really enjoy working in Unreal because of the shaders and the lights and everything. Well, there was a concept artist here once, and I've always dreamt of being a concept artist. And it was nice seeing like his workflow. He even showed some sketches of his and talked a little bit about his career path in life and how he ended up being a concept artist and what exactly to value in your workflow. Like kind of having a balance between being super creative, but also having technical skills. So we learned a lot about like over-scoping and being too ambitious with our projects, which I think that most people fall into when they're starting out because they're like, oh, I'm gonna make this amazing game that's gonna be a AAA game. And that never happens. AAA games take a very long time to be developed.